So we're on a field trip right now. We're just walking around the apartment complex. Because my field trips aren't, going that far lately. But I will be. I will be going far soon. Because I think that I'm going to go places. So we're just looking around. I'm walking back from the clubhouse because Christopher was just on the treadmill. He was doing some exercising. And that's pretty cool. Everybody loves a good exercise in the morning. Wave, Chris! You're not waving! We're just walking through nature. Oh, it's like a field trip. It's more of a field trip than an adventure. I could be like Dora the Explorer. Maybe not. Many hours later. The adventure walk was pretty boring. And I'm thinking that I may cancel the Kota adventures. On the plus side, every 10 episodes, I'll still do a music CD cover. Exciting! So don't be disappointed. I'm gonna make stuffing with dinner. Toodles. Later. Good night. Peace. Sayonara. Answer me this. How does stuffing come in a bag? That's gross.